Welcome to Chhabra Housing. My name is Amandeep. Today we are here to check out one of the luxurious property at Sign near BKC Connector. So this property is developed by Shade Realty. The project name is Younique. So if I speak about this property is developed into 2 acres of land parcel, whereas they are coming up with 5 wings in it. And if I speak about the configurations would be 2 and 3 BHK options. The carpet size would be ranging from 624 carpet area ending up to 1141 square feet. Or someone wants to open bigger carpet area, we can also provide in Jodi options for a bigger unit. Come, let's check out the elevation of this property. If you check out, this is a rendering image of this property, whereas this would be your structure, and your entry exit would be 2 entry and exits to the property. One would be from the Bhaktina Mandir road, which is over here, and second would be from the Trimurti road. And on the ground level, there is a proper retail outlet. If we check the elevation properly, so this is an elevation how it would be looking from outside, as well as there would be a ground level retail outlets over here. And if I come down to the amenities part, there is an amenities on the rooftop of the building. So come, let's check out the render image of some luxurious amenities of this property. This is an open sky lounge. You have a proper pool area over here. You have an open gym in this property on the rooftop. So this would be the sit out area on the ground level. So at the podium level, there is a gym area as well as there is an indoor games area. And opposite to the podium entrance, there would be a proper children's play area over here. And if I take you to the rooftop again, there is a proper PVR theater at the rooftop, open theater. You have a proper basketball court as well as a cricket court over here. Come, let me take you to the connectivity of this property. This property is centrally located in Mumbai, as well as this is opposite to the BKC Connector. So if you come, let me take you to the connectivity part. So there are various connectivities nearby. If I speak about the hotels, there are some hotels connected within 15 minutes. Also, if I speak about the hospitals, there are some hospitals exactly nearby to the property within 5 minutes of the distance. There are movie theaters. There are education institutes nearby. And if I speak about the retail, you have retail malls nearby and entertainment zones. So come, let's check out the sample plot of this property. This is a living dining space over here. So you have a separate dining area. There would be a proper living area over here. Also, there is a deck attached for a bigger carpets. As we enter to the flat, on your left hand side, there is a proper master bedroom over here, where you can also call it as a guest bedroom. With an attached washroom in it. On the another side of this flat, you have a kitchen area over here, which is a proper L-shaped kitchen with a zero wastage in it. So opposite to the kitchen area, there is a study room over here, which we have put it as a glass partition in between, whereas it would be a wall. Over here would be your common washroom with an attached shower area. Here comes your master bedroom area. And over here, you can set up your wardrobe area. Also, you will be getting a dressing table space over here where you can set up your dressing table. And opposite to the dressing table, there would be a washroom area with an attached shower area again. Thank you for joining us today. For more details, please click on the link below, as well as do like, share, subscribe, and remember to follow.